everyone! Today we are going to test this Shine Manicure Buffer Kit that we just bought from the Amazon. It is supposed to make your nails shinier, stronger, healthier, and as well it serves as a perfect natural manicure without the nail polish. So if you want to see how to apply it, what are results straight after and after several uses, stay with me. Alright, so let's see what's inside. Here is some emery paper and nail files. Then there is a paste with a buffer and powder with a buffer. None of these products has any specific smell. Then there is a wiper to clean nails and a little pusher to push back your cuticles. First thing, you have to clean your nails from the nail polish and then check your nail quality. If your nails are very fragile and bending very easily, you can skip the first step. Otherwise, take the emery paper and smoothen the surface of your nail. Then, take a small amount of the paste and spread it all over the buffer, from one side to another. Buff it in your nail as per instruction, only one direction. You'll keep going until the nail starts to shine. Then you spread the powder all over the pink buffer and buffer on your nails. The more time you do it, the deeper the powder will get in your nails and they will be more shiny. And basically that's it. Now you just repeat the process 2 to 3 times per week as per instructions for the best results. And then you can start straight from the second step using the paste and the emery paper only to the newly grown part of your nail. I personally did it once a week as it was reasonable time for me, and I did try skipping it for 2 weeks, but after 2 weeks you could barely see any shine on the nails. So 1 week, fine, 2 weeks a bit too long. And after 2 months of usage, I could say that this product did not reach all my expectations, as my nails did not get super strong. They did get a bit stronger, but the result is very minimal. But was it a complete waste of money? No, I would not say so, because I see it as a very easy and fast way how to get neat and nice looking manicure without any nail polish. And it's a great way how to give your nails some rest. And the biggest deal for me is that my nails are not breaking and not splitting anymore. So that's huge. But now it's time to get back to my colorful nails. And if you want to see how to set up a salon in your home, then check out our other video. And needless to remind, we'll be happy to have you in our family by subscribing down below and following us on Instagram. So thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!